have already discussed that this arg type is of string. Arg is of string. So what happens here means whatever values you keep inside the bracket, you put inside the bracket, it will be accepted as a string because its type is string. So it cannot be used for calculations. Whatever, even if you enter number, it is accepted as a string. It cannot be used for calculations. So if you want to use it for calculation, it has to be converted into its corresponding type. String has to be converted into its corresponding type. That is either int, float, double, short, whatever type you want to convert that string values into that type. That is, in main method, whatever value you enter, it is accepted as a string and it has to be converted into the corresponding type for the calculation. Otherwise, it cannot be used for calculations. Now we will discuss how this a string can be converted into another data type. How a string can be converted into another data type. You will think that we can use explicit conversion. No, you cannot use explicit conversion. Why? Because string is not compatible to convert into any other type. In the 9th standard, you have learned that string is not compatible to convert into any other type. String is string only, we cannot convert it. So you cannot use an explicit conversion to convert a string into any other data type. To convert a string into any other data type, you have a method known as parse of. I have written here xx because here the values will change. That is why I have simply put xx. I will show you an example, then you will be clear with that. So the method used for conversion of string into any other data type is parse xxx of bracket. Since it is a method, you have to put a parenthesis. Now we will see how can we convert an string into a integer. For that I have written an example. I want to convert args of 0. Args of 0 means first element of args. First element of args into integer. For that what I have written is int a to accept the value integer. See, it is in capital. I is in capital. I have written a integer. This is known as wrapper class. Integer is known as wrapper class. It is not a literal, it is a wrapper class. Something if it comes with a capital letter I, starting letter capital letter, it is known as wrapper class. Integer, float, double. If it comes with the first letter capital, it is known as a wrapper class. Wrapper class topics will be discussed later. You have a separate topic for that. So just understand this. Integer is a wrapper class. Dot parse int of. This is a method call. ParseInt is a method in the class integer. ParseInt is a method of class integer. ParseInt, I is a capital. See, I have written xx. In that place I have replaced int. Parse I with capital because it is not a data type, it is a method name. Method names, if you have a two words, first letter of the first word should be small letter and first letter of the second word should be capital letter. So parse int of args0. Args0 means I have to convert the array's first element. Args0 is array's first element which is to be converted. So what value you have to convert into integer, you have to return inside the bracket. You have to return inside the bracket. Whatever value you have to convert into an integer or any other type, you have to return into the bracket. I will show you an example. Here I have written a program with these three functions. See, first value arg0, first element I have to convert it into an integer. That is why I have written it as integer dot parse int of. Second value args1 means second value in the array, that has to be converted into float. For that it is accepting a value float, so I have declared a variable with float, and float is a wrapper class. F is capital. Parse float is a method of wrapper class float, and args1 has to be converted into float. Now suppose I want to convert into short, so I have declared a short variable. Here in this side, your left hand side, all these things are in small letter because it is our data types. Int is in small letter, float is in small letter, short is in small letter. In the left hand side, that is int arg1, float arg2, short arg3. These are all in small letters. But in the left hand side, first one is a before the dot, it is a wrapper class. So first letter is capital, and second one is a method. So second word of the first letter of the second word is in capital letter. Pass short. So my third element of array has to be converted into short, and I have done that plus addition. Double sum is equal to arg1 plus arg2 plus arg3, and I am trying to print the sum. Now we will see what happens to the program. I am compiling this program. Compile without an error. So I am going to run this program. Since void main string arg is an array accepting an array value, we cannot write simply 1 2 3. We have to put it in a double quotes. So double quotes 1 comma, I have 3 values, 2 comma, double quotes 3. So I have entered 1 2 3. You are thinking that this is a number. No, it's not a number because it is a string, because you have written inside the double quotes. So it is accepting a value as a string, and in our method what we have written is the conversion into the corresponding type. Now we will see your output. 6.0 because I have declared my sum as double. That is why it is showing 6.0.